Hello and welcome to Finance Center. In this video, we will discuss how to make money online as a teen 2021. So, before starting the video, please subscribe to Finance Center. The post-COVID-19 would look different, and it must. While the pandemic has exposed the loopholes that exist in the global healthcare system, it has motivated more organizations to explore how they can make work from home a reality so there is less dependence on manual labor. Working from the convenience of your home, contemplating your tasks for the day while sitting on your couch, and having the liberty to choose your own break hours, sounds too good, right? Well, it is. But it is not far from reality. Many people out there have chosen this efficient path to earn a sustainable livelihood as it gives you a sense of independence coupled with convenience. Let's go to the ways to make money online as teen. Number 1. Google AdSense. You must have vaguely heard about this, even if you do not know what exactly it is. Did you see a website that has all those ads staring at you? Well, that can help you earn quite a handsome amount of money. If you own a blog, you are halfway there already. Setting up a Google AdSense account is pretty simple. All you need to do is sign up with it and Google will provide you with a unique code, which you would be required to paste onto your site. Google then keeps a track of your content as well as the traffic you are getting. Your earnings, however, vary geographically and are dependent on the nature of your traffic. But when done right, famed bloggers say they have hit $5,000 marks monthly. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. To put it in simpler words, affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing in which more than one businesses benefit. It is one of the most popular ways to make money online because if established, it can turn into passive income. You suggest to your readers a specific product and where to get it. When they purchase it following your channel, you generate a specific amount of income as well. For example, you can write an entire blog post about what to look for while choosing the perfect foundation for your skin. You can structure your article discussing consistency, formula, choosing the right shade, etc. and in the end, you suggest a product of your choice while adding a link of where to get it, online shop. When the reader would make a purchase through it, you make money. Number 3. Online courses. Extending on the last one, you do not need to offer someone counseling. You can pretty much make money by using your skills and imparting them to others via online courses. There are tons of platforms available out there to help you through it. One of the most popular ones is Teachable.com. You can set up your profile, post an online course, and let people sign up and purchase it. Number 4. Sponsored posts. If you have a large social media following, this can totally work out for you. Have you seen your favorite Instagrammer or blogger suggesting a brand/product and you see that tiny hashtag ad in the caption? That is what they are doing. Influencer marketing basically uses your face value to generate sales. You might be blown away to know that famous footballer Cristiano Ronaldo earns more through his Instagram than football itself. If brands see quality, consistency, and organic following on your account, they would reach out to you for sponsor posts. In this way you will make much money. Number 5. Offer business or career coaching. If you're a career veteran who's risen in the ranks of your field, you may be able to start a side hustle as a career coach. That happened to me by default. As I built my blog and my brand, people began turning to me for advice on how they can make it work for themselves. In the beginning, I gave the advice out free. But eventually I started charging a fee. After all, your time is valuable and so is your advice. You can start your career coaching business by making your services available through LinkedIn and other career sites, as well as through social media. Number 6. Start a Facebook ads business. Facebook reports having more than 3 billion active users around the world. That probably makes it the biggest single communications medium in the world. And that status has made it prime territory for advertising. If you're a regular user of Facebook, you can learn how to run ad campaigns from various sources. When you feel comfortable, you can begin offering your services as a Facebook ad campaign manager for small businesses. Number 7. Become an online video editor. Maybe you have good video editing skills, but no real interest in creating the videos themselves. No problem, you can offer your services to edit videos other people create. Most of the videos on YouTube, at least the more professional ones, undergo third-party video editing. It's what makes what might otherwise be amateurish videos look professional. You can start by listing your services with sites like Freelancer, Upwork and People Per Hour. But once you have a resume of completed work, you can directly solicit active YouTubers, especially those who are up and coming. Number 8. Freelance writing. If you have the ability to write, particularly on certain popular topics, you can make a comfortable living freelance writing on the web. You don't need your own blog or website to do this, you'll be selling your work to owners of blogs and websites. I've done some freelance writing over the years, and began at $150 per article. But once you become accomplished and established, you can easily earn $250, $500 or even more than $1,000 per article. That will get you to $100 per day pretty quickly. Number 9. Sell stock photos and videos. Have you got an eye for photography? If so, you may want to consider selling photos and videos online. There are many great free image services online, however the premium image and video stock photo market remains a billion-dollar industry. By listing your content on stock image websites such as Shutterstock, you will receive a payment every time someone downloads one of your items. Stock images and videos are used by blogs, news websites, YouTube channels, mainstream media, magazines, online shops, and more. If you want to make a living by selling digital items such as images and videos, pay attention to what content people are downloading on stock image marketplaces. This will help influence what content you should sell yourself. Number 10. Sell products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and more. When you launch an online shop, you have to spend time administrating the store. However, in order to find customers, you also have to market your store and its products. This can be difficult unless you have a large budget for an advertising campaign or a platform to promote your products such as a blog or a social media account with a loyal following. If you want to start earning money quicker, you may want to instead consider selling products on an e-commerce marketplace such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. You will make much money through these. That was all about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Center. Thank you for watching the video.